lipless crankbaits and deep divers. I used deep divers first. Wasn't getting anything, so I switched over to that lipless crankbait. Really wishing I had my jerk baits right now.
So I have a bluegill bite going on. It's kind of slow right now, so I'm casting a rattle trap along the side, fanning my way out to the middle and to the other side of the point. And I just happen to get a bite here in a second, and you'll see I set the hook to the side because I'm using treble hooks. It kind of caught me off guard, but I looked over right at the right time and saw the fish trying to take the lure right at the bank. And I'll let you see what happened.